This is so exciting.
We built this.
We are, guys, after 2 months of being gone, we are back and we are ready to get back to work on this.
We're Riley and Courtney Casey. After traveling full-time in a truck camper we built, we fell in love with northern Idaho and purchased 20 acres of raw, off-grid land. With the goal of being dried in before winter, we wasted no time and got to work building our 30 by 40 post frame building. There was only one issue. We had never even built a shed before. With a steep learning curve, we spent our days scouring YouTube for advice and working with our hands, and after 3 months, the results left us speechless. Some call it a house, others call it a barn-dominium. We call it our dream property.
We're getting packed up to leave for Overland Expo. Got the excavator parked inside, army truck behind it, Courtney's GX hitched to our trailer, parallel parked under the apartment. Everything fit inside, that's awesome. And then it started pouring rain. You can see right here all the water off the roof is dripping, and then this all slopes away. The water is eventually landing kind of down in this swale. I think it's a little low right here and we should probably add some gravel and dirt, but it still keeps sloping down where it eventually ends up in this ditch behind the building and slopes out that way. Huge peace of mind knowing that the water is directed away from the building, so it's not going to be flooding the inside of our building or compromising our footings.
Goodbye, home. We will be back in 2 months.
We're hoping that when we get back, there's not a huge snowbank in front of the door blocking us out.
We're on 2 months. We have no idea what to expect when we get back, so hopefully we can get back up here. And hopefully the bears haven't moved in.
See you later, house.
Goodbye. Today is the second day of SEMA and we had an amazing day yesterday. It seemed pretty fitting to open this. It showed up last week and I think it's officially time to open this and maybe even hang it in the camper. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh my goodness.
And we're at SEMA. This is amazing. Thank you guys so much.
This year has been an absolute dream come true for the two of us.
We cannot wait to get the Snowverlander done, get back up to Idaho, and keep building things and sharing it with you guys.
Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you again soon. Made it back up to North Idaho, and this is the last errand we have to run before we go up to the property. So we are filling up with as much water as we can. We have one of these 290-gallon IBC totes with us. We don't know if we're going to be able to fill up again this winter because we don't know what to expect with our road. So hopefully this will last us through the winter until the spring. I don't know though, 290 gallons isn't that much. Do you think 290 gallons of water will last us all the way through winter?
Yeah, me too. 1 shower a week. We just picked up our packages from the pack and ship and we're a little full at the moment, so I put them in the dog bucket. And Boone opened the package and I was quite upset at him until I opened it. How did you know this was for him? Whoever sent us this, thank you. He loves it.
The muffler is caught on the trailer. I think we really need to build a set of ramps for this trailer.
It's always something.
You're clear now.
Are you ready to go to our property?
Let's go.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the night. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my love.
This is the first time we've had something to come back to, ever.
Now that we know that the road is okay and our building is still here, we're gonna go back and we're gonna get the truck and trailer.
Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
You ready to see how excited the dogs are to be back?
Dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
Step one. It's all still here. Still smells like new construction.
Wow. Before we left, we disconnected the batteries in all of the vehicles in hopes that when we got back, we wouldn't have dead batteries. So far, so good. Now we're gonna see if the army truck starts. This one might be a little interesting because we've never started it in the cold. And it's only about 40 degrees today, but it's still the coldest temps we've tried to start it in. This truck has no glow plugs, no grid heater. It's just a straight cold start diesel. Gotta love that old diesel technology. But it started, so I was a little worried about that. I think if we plan to use this truck this winter, it'd be smart to add a block heater to it. That is not something I want to do on a regular basis. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. You see this smoke coming out of the windows? Gnarly. Why is the tire flat?
I actually don't know why the tire's flat. It's just always flat.
Somehow we one-shot parallel parked the Lexus and the trailer in here in the dark. But now it's stuck.
I think we're a little rusty.
We're trying to use the Jeep because it is a little bit shorter than the Lexus, so we thought it'd give us more room to maneuver. But it turns out it also doesn't turn as sharp, and it's making things a little more difficult. This is the car that got it in. Now we think this is the car that's gonna get it out. Dang it.
First day back, and we're in a mud bog with a flat tire on the army truck.